Have you ever wondered about the magic behind computer instructions, the essence of coding? Well, before we dive into the world of code, let's talk about the unsung hero, algorithms. Step-by-step solution to a problem. It's like a recipe for solving a problem, breaking it down into clear step-by-step actions. From cooking a meal to searching the web, algorithms are everywhere. Whether it's sorting data, finding the shortest route, or recommending products online, algorithms are the building blocks of computation. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. An algorithm takes input data, performs operations, makes decisions, and voila! It produces an output. Simple, right? But here's the fascinating part. Algorithms play a crucial role in problem solving, data analysis, and even artificial intelligence. They're the backbone of modern technology, shaping our world. Understanding algorithms isn't just a skill, it's a gateway to unlocking the power of computation. It's about navigating the present and shaping the future. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of algorithms. Remember, they're not just tools, they're powerful forces shaping our world. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next adventure. Peace out!